Are hidden vulnerabilities putting your food facility at risk? My name is Felicia Liu, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. Today, we're diving into the essential for tackling hidden areas that could be exploited to commit fraud. Whether you're a seasoned food safety professional or new to SQF, assessing vulnerabilities are essentials. Start with a comprehensive walkthrough of your facility. Pay attention to overlooked spaces, storage rooms, maintenance areas, and any low-traffic zones that might be ideal for fraudulent activities. These hidden spots often slip through the cracks of routine checks. Illuminate every corner. Adequate lighting is a game changer. It deters fraudulent activities and aids surveillance efforts by eliminating shadows where suspicious activities could hide. Remember, visibility is your first line of defense. Enhance surveillance with advanced technology. Cameras should cover all entry points and remote areas. Regularly review footage to ensure these tools are operational and capture comprehensive data. Establish a robust access control system. Implement a badge system or other controls to monitor who enters and exits sensitive areas. This not only helps track movements, but also limits access to unauthorized individuals. Foster a culture of vigilance among staff. Encourage team members to report any unusual behavior or suspicious signs. Regular training sessions can keep food defense at the forefront of your organization's priorities. Conduct regular assessments. Schedule routine audits focused on identifying new hidden areas as the facility evolves. This will help maintain a proactive approach, ensuring potential threats are addressed promptly. Need expert advice? Don't navigate these challenges alone. Our SQF consultants are ready to help you enhance your food defense strategies. Avoid costly mistakes by booking a strategy call today. Contact us at 1-236-513-2488 and secure your facility's safety with professional guidance. Don't let hidden areas become a weak link in your food defense strategy. Take action now and fortify your operations with our expert support.